Hey everybody, this is Michelle, and I'm here with another mukbang. I made some hamburgers with fries and a pickle. I made my fries with the George Foreman grill, which was my boyfriend's idea, and it came out awesome. Alright, so let's eat.
Pick your plate up.
Sorry.
So I see you.
He's my cameraman today. Because eventually I ain't got a proper table.
And I'm not being paid for this either.
It's good. I hope y'all having a good day today. Today was a so-and-so day for me. He's going down, so. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the bell button so when I get more videos, you guys can get them or see them or whatever.
And the like button. Don't forget the like button.
Oh yeah, don't forget the like button. Like button.
With the light bucket, really? It's a light bucket, ladies and gentlemen. Funny, right? Funny.
He's crazy.
Pick your plate up.
Like this.
Let me like.
I'm good like this. Cameraman, oh my god. Never satisfied with anything.
Actors, I swear to God, fucking. I swear to God, motherfuckers act like they own the fucking world. Oh my god. And she's not even famous, and I already gotta put up with her diva attitude. Poor me.
That's right. But, hey, he loves me. He deals with my shit. He's so wobbly.
I'm trying to like. It's because my hand kind of hurts holding the phone up like this.
Oh, well. If you love me, you would. It's so awkward. He's just staring at me.
I'm waiting for her to take a woman-sized bite of that fucking burger and be like, God damn it, I'll eat you up.
He's crazy. But seriously, y'all gotta help me make a good ass prank for him. Seriously, help me out. I want to get him really good.
Because I got her before and she was mad. To her it was bogus. To me, it was bogus funny. Oh yeah, I'm full of surprise. Oh yeah.
Got a Coke.
Soda.
He said soda. I said Coke. Coca-Cola.
Soda.
Coca-Cola?
Soda. What? I'm not looking at you so you could do this mukbang.
Shut up. Oh my god. It's just awkward because he's just standing there, sitting there just looking at me.
You better eat that pickle.
You're fucking stupid.
Chew that pickle. Swallow that pickle.
Oh.
Tickle my pickle.
You're stupid. I don't know what to say. Today been a horrible day. I made dinner though. I didn't stay in bed, even though I'm sick. I should have stayed in bed, but I didn't.
And now you're giving me your sickness.
I gave him my sickness. I gave him my sickness because
she didn't give me her sickness. She gave me her 69. That's what she meant to say. Her 69.
Man, shut up.
Okay, first 68, then 69.
He's crazy. Oh my god. I don't know if I'm gonna upload this or not, but he's crazy. But I love him. He's funny. So, but y'all really gotta help me out. Try to get him with something. I got an idea of what I'm gonna do, but yeah.
She just doesn't want to do it because she don't know how mad I'll get after she does it.
I don't care. But let me see what else. So I start this job on Monday. Wish me well. Hopefully everything goes good. I need this job. Say something funny, babe. I'm boring.
Say something funny, babe.
My cat's just staring at me. Like, damn, where's my food, lady? It's really hot in here. Well, I don't know. I hope you guys like my video. I'm trying. That's the thought that counts. Right?
Yup.
Let me see how far I go with this.
Please subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, then she gets down, then...
No, I don't.
She gets down on herself, right? Because no one wants to subscribe to her video, right? So then I gotta, like, boost up her confidence, you know, tell her stop worrying about it and everything. But does she believe me? No. Right away. I'm the bad guy.